Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a video with wavy effects on CapCut. So first import your clips, then click on it and then swipe the toolbar and click on enhance. Click on the body and then click on reshape. Now click on resize. And after that add the resize to 50 like this and then drag the arrow to add some more range to it. And then after that click on the check icon and then after that go back, then go to grabs and then select the ease out one. Click on a check icon and now here is your video with some wavy effect. Okay guys, so that's all for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment, and last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.